turning final, runway 8, gotcha.
Yeah, progress traffic, 30 here, downwind for 03. Traffic, 650, east of the airport at 4 miles over the interstate, head around to the north and enter the downwind for runway 3, Sheboygan traffic. Yeah, we just circled out there and Lincoln 2 times. I was going to go to Sheboygan, but man, there's like a duel over there. Traffic on the traffic, down. Sounds like a golf tournament or something. Sheboygan traffic, helicopter 50 kilo, 2 miles to south, inbound, landing west of me. Windsock remaining east of the street. Sheboygan. Jump is on traffic, 30 final for the day. Traffic, 795 Tango, 5 miles west of the field, inbound for runway 3. No idea. Downwind, runway 27 Oceana. Sheboygan traffic, helicopter 50 kilo, west of Windsock, departing southeast, remaining east of 3, Sheboygan. Sheboygan traffic, 765 Echo, 5 miles to the north of the airport, now enter the downwind for runway 3, Sheboygan traffic. Traffic, 7952 Tango will be entering wide left downwind for runway 3, Sheboygan.
You know what road that is, Mike?
That's where I work.
Is it?
Paul's Cabinet Shop.
Really? Right over here then, huh?
Right down there, yep. Very cool. Yeah, the van is still there.
Now you can give him an aerial shot.
I just did.
Hold that baby up, hanging on the wall. See the 2 stacks out there, Mike?
Power plant.
Straight ahead. That's what I figured. Is that 23 below us then? Yeah, it was 23 off over here. Well,
Skyhawk, 3 miles to the north, inbound to land.
Hey, this isn't that Nancy's over here on the right, isn't it? Nancy's?
Swinging
Seven
traffic,
on?
75 to Tango, turning left base, and the 50 mile.
Could be, I can't tell.
See if you can shift to your backside.
I bet it was, because I think that was the direction over that way.
I think so too.
Swinging traffic, set the Skylock entry. Right, or left downwind for runway 3, swinging traffic. Swinging traffic, helicopter 50 Kilo 2.5 miles south, inbound, landing west of the wind side, remaining east of 3 at all times, Sheboygan. Sheboygan traffic, 7952 Tango, turning final runway 3 for landing runway.